We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. I'm excited because this is literally going to be one of the first videos that kicks off my little fall series. As you guys could already tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we're going to be talking about the UGG Tazz Slippers, and I'm seriously so excited for these. I did a whole little unboxing and talked about them over on my TikTok, which if you guys aren't following that, definitely go do so. But I wanted to do a full in-depth kind of video for YouTube, a little longer format, you know. Seriously, you guys, I am just so excited for these. I have been wanting these slippers for maybe like the last 2 years or so, minimum 2 years, and I finally have them. We got them before the fall time and here we are. If you guys are wanting to see the fit, the color, the review of these fun slippers, then definitely stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get on right into this video. This is my second time ordering this pair of slipper right here. Like, my second time. The first pair I got last week and they just ended up being a little too small. I ordered them in the same size that I get all my other Uggs in, a size 9, and they just ended up being way too tight. I decided to just go ahead, sell them on Facebook Marketplace. They sold, and then I ended up ordering myself a brand new pair in a size 10, and you guys, I'm excited. All right, so if this is your first pair of Uggs, this is what the box looks like. Just a pretty brown cardboard box with the UGG logo right on the front. And you guys, it's seriously just, I don't know, just so neutral, so minimal. I love it. You guys, seriously, so satisfying. All right, so opening the box, oh my gosh, I'm seriously, look how pretty they are, you guys. Seriously, so pretty. Pulling them straight out of the box, this is what the slipper looks like. They're seriously so pretty. These are in the mustard seed color. This is like a brand newish color that UGG has introduced within like the past 2-3 years max, I think. And they're seriously just so pretty, you guys. Again, these are the UGG Tazz platform slippers, and they're just so beautiful, you guys. Here is a closer look to what they look up close. As you can see, they have the neutral braiding going around the whole opening of the shoe. Seriously, so pretty, you guys. They're just so minimal, so neutral, and seriously just the perfect slipper and perfect color for the fall time. Of course, you have your little UGG logo inside, and then you have this sheepskin surrounding the whole interior of the slipper. These shoes are seriously just so pretty to look at. I know a lot of people like to make the joke that it looks like a little hoof, which it kind of does, but they're just like, I don't know, they're just so cute, so aesthetic, and Uggs are seriously just so comfortable in general, and once you break them in, they're just the best shoe ever. I had originally already ordered these shoes a week ago. I got them, I ordered them in a size 9, as I do all my Uggs. I'm a true 8 men's shoe size, which translates to a 9.5 women's, and I ordered them in a 9, and they just ended up being way too small. All my other Uggs had to fit perfectly. My slippers have fit perfectly. These ultra mini boots have fit perfectly in a size 9, but these ones, they were just so tight, you guys, and they were just so uncomfortable. Literally, I'm sure there's a better way to show you guys this, but I'm gonna go ahead, put on the shoe just so you guys can kind of see. Okay, so I'm slipping the shoe on right now. This is what they look like on, you know, cute, whatever. The first issue that I had with these, which was a very common issue as I came to find out as I did my research on TikTok and YouTube and all that, and just so many reviews, is that your heel as you walk will literally slip out from the back right here. Like, you go to walk and it's gonna slip out. And so when I would walk around in the size 9s, my heel would literally slip out right here, and then it'd come back, and then it would literally squish the back of it and cause it to wrinkle and stuff. And I was just like, that should not be it. That should not be happening. So I decided to just sell them. I sized up. I started walking around the house in these, and they still slip out, but they go back into their place. And that's the key difference between the two sizes. Instead of crushing the back of it, my heel would actually slide back in, and over time, this sheepskin right here is gonna kind of flatten out, and the slippage should be so minimal. Of course, I still need to break these in and stuff, but just from all the reviews that I've seen, it's just what's gonna happen. And especially during the winter time, there were also just so many reviews saying that just get your normal size that you normally get. Over time, they're gonna stretch and break down and blah, 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 blah. which could be true to an extent, but they should not be so uncomfortable right from the get-go. Like, you should not have to suffer in the beginning just to make them comfortable. So I'm so glad that I decided to size up. You guys, that's something that I completely 1000% recommend, is that you size up in these slippers right here. During the fall and winter time, we're gonna be wearing thicker socks, and you're gonna want that extra space too for that. So if they end up like stretching out a little bit, then that's perfect. That's what I want. I want them to be comfortable. These slippers, you guys, are seriously just so cute and so perfect for the fall time, and I'm excited to style these. They're gonna look so good with like long, baggy, like light wash jeans, a nice like sweater, maybe kind of like this one that I'm wearing right now. I think this is like from H&M. Obviously the pink does not go with it, but I just wanted to look a little cozier for the video. Also, one thing that I do like about these slippers is that there is like this little pull tab back here that you can use, put your finger in to get the back of your heel into these shoes. But overall, they are super comfortable. I'm excited to break them in and make sure they're super comfortable for this fall time. So I'm glad that I got them now. If you guys are wanting to get these slippers, then I definitely recommend you do it now, because they are already selling out. I already know that the smaller sizes are already sold out, and they do restocks, but by the time they do their restock and you order them, it's literally gonna be like maybe a month to 2 months until you get them. Maybe even you won't get them until the end of the year. So I would order them now while you still can if you guys have been interested in these, and I would definitely size up, especially if you're a half size up, please. I'm a 9.5, and in Uggs, again, I always got them in a 9, but for these slippers specifically, you have to size up in my opinion. That's definitely what I would do. I think that's just the way to go, especially if you're gonna be wearing thicker socks. Then I think sizing up is gonna be great. I mean, you can always wear thicker socks if you need it. This is also really new to me. I also ended up ordering the UGG cleaning kit. I've seen so many people say that this is the way to go, and I don't know. I'm very excited to try this. I already did spray like the first like layer of like the protector. It's supposed to help make them water resistant, make sure that they don't get dirty and such and stuff like that. So I already sprayed them once. I might spray them again tonight. And then it also came with like the cleaner and conditioner. There's also a fun little shoe renew that you can spray inside your shoes to like get rid of like odor and just kind of like neutralize them. There's also this fun little sponge and the brush, which I really like. You guys, like, look at this little brush, like just wipe everything away. I've already like cleaned these like so many times, like they still look so good, you guys. I mean, the soles could use a little love, but that's besides the point. Y'all, I'm seriously just so excited for this fall season. I'm gonna be starting my sophomore year of college, and it's gonna be so fun, you guys. Like, I finally found a fun group of friends, and I feel like it's just gonna make it so much better, like being at college. Like, my first year was fun and all, but there was definitely some rough times, if we're being completely honest. But like, I don't know, I'm just so excited for this year. For those of you guys that have been watching my channel for a while, you guys have been used to the setup right here. You know, she's cozy. I love this room so much. Like, I've put in so much love into this room. However, this upcoming Wednesday, I mean, today's like Monday when I'm filming this Wednesday, I'm gonna be moving back down to my college town, and I finally got a house to live in. So I'm gonna be living with 3 other people, but I'm not gonna be in a dorm anymore. Have my private room, which I'm seriously so excited for. But I am gonna be taking this bed that's in my room over there. I'm gonna be taking the nightstands in here. I think I'm taking the rug that's in here too over there, which means this room is seriously gonna be completely empty by the time I take everything out, which is a little bittersweet. It's like an end of an era, which I'm kind of not ready for because I love this room so much. But my plans were originally to go ahead and buy new stuff to put in my college room, but I was like, you know what? That doesn't make sense, you know? Like, why am I gonna buy all this new stuff for a temporary like living situation that I'm gonna be at for, I mean, I'm gonna be there for at least a full year. I decided, I was like, you know what? Why don't I just take the furniture that I have in this current room, take it over there, decorate that whole room exactly how I like it, how everything is right now, and then slowly start getting brand new furniture and like redesign my whole room here back at home. I feel like that's definitely just like such a smarter move, you know? And when I come over here, and I can slowly just start buying things here and there for this room, and then every time I'm back here visiting, I can just like put stuff together. And I don't know, I feel like I'm rambling right now, but it's just what makes sense in my head. All right, you guys, that is gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review slash unboxing video. Again, I'm seriously just so excited to wear these during this fall time. Like, they're seriously just gonna be so cute, so comfortable, and I'm excited to like plan outfits and like style them like with these shoes. Also, I'm kind of thinking right now, I'm like, would you guys be interested in seeing like a whole like how to style your Uggs for the fall time kind of like video? I feel like that would be so fun, give you guys like outfit ideas and stuff like that. Comment down below if you guys want to see that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.